Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can download Summertime Saga on your personal computer. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser and search for Summertime Saga in the search bar. After that, open the official website and click on the Download Now button. Now, select any one of the available versions of the game and then wait for it to complete. After it completes, extract the downloaded file and then run the Summertime Saga app to play the game. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to download and install Summertime Saga on your PC so you can start playing it right away. Just make sure to extract the downloaded file properly before launching the game. So that's basically how you can download Summertime Saga on your PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.